Welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today we're in Albuquerque, South Valley to do the word of the day, which is ice cream. To say ice cream in Navajo, you say Abe Yistíní, ice cream. To use this word in a sentence, you say Ákwe'é, Abe Yistíní, Nidahaniih. Ákwe'é, Abe Yistíní, Nidahaniih, which means right here they sell ice cream. So if you're ever here in Albuquerque in the South Valley, here's a great place to check out some ice cream. Have a nice day. So I forgot to say where we were at. The place I like to go is called La Michoacana. La Michoacana. The good things to get here is basically going to be the mango con crema and mango con chile. These are the two good things to get here. La Michoacana here in South Valley in Albuquerque, New Mexico. As an additional side note, this combination of mango and chili makes this taste exactly like chiiłchin. This tastes just like chiiłchin, oddly. The combination of mango and chili. Odd.